Hey guys, this is EYL802 Alarms, and this will be System Test 41 with the new panel. That's right, I'm now going to reveal it. If you've been following me on my Discord or Instagram, you may know what it is. But now on YouTube, I'm gonna reveal it. You're going to see what it is. So, let's get started. Anyway, since I'm not going to show the panel at the moment, I'm going to show you just the devices before I show you what the panel is. And I am also here with
Badgerian.
Trangum.
All right. So let's get started with the devices. So here we go. We have the System Tester i3, which is the two-wire version of it. And I know you're gonna say, "Oh no, it doesn't work on the homemade panel." Well, you know what? It's gone. I can say that at least, but yeah, it is working. You kind of see it. It's actually flashing, and it's actually my Vista 20p. I actually moved up to here now, so yeah. We have a System Tester PC2W LED horn strobe. So that horn strobe you can kind of see. It is set to 95 candela. And it'll be System Tester Sync. We have a Silent Night SK-pull-SA signal action. We have a System Tester SR LED, which is set to 75 candela. So yeah. And you notice that the smoke detector is gone. Right here, there used to be a smoke, but that's gone now because there's a vent here, and I want to, it's not code to have it near a vent, so that's gone. We have the System Tester 5451 heat detector on a 2-wire base now. We have a System Tester SW Spectral Advance, which is set to 30 candela. We have a Notifier NBG12L. We have a Firelight BG12. And over here, we have a System Tester P2RL. This is not the LED one, this is the Xenon one, and this is set to 95 candela. And we have the System Tester 2151 smoke detector. So, now, I'm going to show you the panel now. So, I have the panel now, and here it is right now. I'm going to show you right now. So, if you've been watching or actually been following me on my Discord and Instagram, you know what it is, but now I'm going to show you right now. This right here is a Firelight MS10 UD-7. As you can see, it is a 10-zone panel. I'm using 6 zones at the moment. And it's got the relays here. I don't know what this is. I think this is for like a real power supply, I guess. I'm using the NAC 1 to 3. And the zones right here 1 to 10. I'm only using 6 at the moment. And you can see it says fire system, all systems all normal with the right time and date. And this is taped up because it's so loud. So that way it won't be so loud. Yeah. And it is actually monitored to Protostar. If you don't know what that is, that's actually a free self-monitoring service. I'll check it out. I'll link it down in the description below. But there's the 2 ATAs for it: the primary ATA and the secondary ATA. That's why it has 2 dialers. And I think it also flashes the line for monitoring. So, and that down there, that is actually the MP3 player board, which is not hooked up just yet. It will be soon. So, and over here we have a 24-volt to 12-volt converter for use for 12-volt smoke detectors in case I do need to put one. And there's protected by a 3-amp fuse. So that way it's not in the box, it's actually in the panel itself. So there's that. And we also have an AM bus. That's right, there is an annunciator. I'll show you that. This is actually an ADT UD 10, but it's actually a Firelight because they're all the same anyway. So, to the back room. And here is the annunciator right here. This right here is the NADW. It's the white annunciator. You're going to see it's mimicking the panel. And it's got a key lock here, so you can enable controls, disable controls. And you can see when I enable it, you can see the little unlock symbol there. That's how the controls are enabled. So yeah. So let's pull the Firelight VG12. And they're all and the alarms are set to sensor sync on NAC 3. Let me on here. We got an alarm. And they are also in sync. You can see that. There's the SW. Wow, that's loud. My keys here are there you go. Silence, acknowledge and silence. So there it is. It is loud. It is very loud. And now you can see now our audible silence, 2-wire audible silence. You can see now. Yeah, there's that. You can see the strobe going. And this one too. Yeah, there it is coming up now. It's just the frame rate. And the NEL series xenon. So, alarm backroom pulsation, you can kind of see that. And how about we re-alarm? What should I do next?
I don't know.
I'll do the smoke detector then. I'll do the FACP smoke. You can see what's still 2-wire audible silence. I'm going to test the smoke detector here. So do that. See if it goes off here. There it goes. And you can see it's reporting to Protostar. You can kind of see here. There it is. There you go. So it is reporting. You can see it just finished reporting. We'll silence that. There's the alarm. 2 alarms. We can scroll down to here. We can scroll. So 1, FACP smoke. And then backroom pull. And now we're going to reset from the panel. There we go. So now you can see I finished reporting. You'll see a green light on that little, there it goes. Finish that one. There. It just finished reporting. So we'll go back to here and now we have a restoral. So yeah. So now we're going to go ahead and activate the notifier. I'm sorry, no, the solenoid pulsation. So we'll do that. So we'll do that. If I can get it here. There we go. So, here we go. Guys, they're in sync. Okay, we're going to sound check on the panel now. Silence that. And then we'll reset our pull station. The solenoid key. There we go. Okay. To wire all the silence. And you know what? How about reset from the enunciator? How about that? Let's reset from the enunciator here. Okay. Reset from the enunciator. All right. And now we're going to do the heat detector. Actually, no. Actually, no. Let's do the. Okay. Bring this over here. Where are my keys? And now we're going to go ahead and activate the notifier pulsation. So, here we go. So it'll silence that right there. And so the pulse reset, which it is. There is the SW, strobe. And the P2RL Xeon horn strobe. You can see now it's actually on 2-wire all silence. So, let's reset from the outsider. Okay, now we're going to test the heat detector, which is the 5451 heat. So, here we go. Should activate pretty fast. Wow, that was fast. That was fast. From the panel. Okay, there it is. Zone 3 resting heat detector and pulse station. And it should have, and the ProStar should reported that already. And there it is. You can see right there. It is reporting. So, as you can see, we're at 2-wire audible silence. And I want to reset from the enunciator here again. Okay, now we're going to test the 2151 smoke. So we'll do that. There goes. As you see, maybe this is all Honeywell stuff, so yeah. There's the, whoa, not too much. Gotta see they're in sync. Zone fire back from smoke detector. You can kind of see that. And show you all the perfect sync. You can see that right there. And you kind of see it's just, there's the LED horn strobe. There's the SR LED. So, you can see now we got a back from smoke detector activated. And now I want to go ahead and reset the panel. So there we go. And there you can see now it's sending a restore report. You kind of see it there. Well, this panel has a lot of features. It's got walk test, as you go in programming, you got a lot of walk test features here. There's a lot. But you can see you got that. You got the Austin history to see when alarm, events, and stuff. It's actually pretty nice to see that. See, you got all that. But yeah. This is view all. You got system setup, which is just basically so that'd be time, date, banner, timers, option modules, and bus, and the dialer, and zone, NACs, and then relays. So pretty much this whole panel has a pretty good lot of features on this one. So yeah, walk test. This will give us this one, which is silent, which doesn't sound the alarms. Two, which sounds the alarms and the panel's piezo. Well, I should show you what it is. View result will show what the results on the walk test. So, yeah. And you can see you have a report. So, pretty much this panel has a lot of features. We got programming. And you can see it's going to have a restore report. And since everyone has left the chat, I'm going to disconnect myself. So, there it is, guys. That is System Test 41. With the new panel, let me just get my keys for it so I can lock it. And also, if you do leave the key unlocked for a long time, like for like a minute or so, actually give it'll give like an AND bus fault, but it'll say like unlocked N80 or something like that. But yeah. So that is System Test 41 of the new panel. So please join my Discord server if you want to see more behind the scenes look and more behind the scenes and the stuff with the system. Follow me on my Instagram, official EYI92 Alarms. So there it is, guys. That is System Test 41, brand new panel. Kind of see it there. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you guys have a great day.